A short while ago, the green valleys of New Zealand welcomed warmly the first day of 2026, and the fireworks celebration in the city of Sydney came to an end. From the peaks of Himalayas to Alaska, from the deserts of Africa to the frozen lands of Siberia, from China to Argentina, and from Mecca to Vatican. The 8 billion people of our global village joyfully waited the arrival of the new year after 12 months of hope and patience. In Surah Maryam of the Noble Quran, Almighty Allah says, "We make no distinction between any of His messengers." Therefore, as a believer in Moses, Jesus, and Muhammad, peace be upon them all, I extend my heartfelt congratulations to the people of every religion, homeland, language, color, and culture. I pray that the Lord makes this year one of peace, security, happiness, and prosperity for everyone. This is a special time to reflect on the values that unite us: faith, love, compassion, and our joint and shared humanity. Wishing you health, happiness, and Allah's blessing in the year ahead. Many thanks, Wali Malakzay. Happy New Year.